Hi everybody, this is Collectric again with a follow-on video showing you how to mount the push button switches to a thinner panel. So this is for between 0.5 and 4mm. So I've got a piece of plastic here which is within that range. So there was our previous thicker B3M, and this is the thinner one, the B3S. So to mount that, we have our 22.5mm hole, which is standard across the range, and the legend plate holder is here, so I'll mount that in the normal way. It goes on there like that. So you've mounted that in the correct way. And then push that into our hole. Make sure it's pushed in all the way. Then we need to mount our collar, so make sure you get this the correct way around, like this, and mount that so that it's pretty well vertical. Now before clicking this into position, we need to make sure that this switch is fully engaged into against the surface of the panel. To do that, we use this special tool which is available from IMO, and we're going to tighten this up here. Tighten this collar up using the tool. So what that does is pulls the switch right against the panel. So you just align that straight. And you can see here we've got these two recesses which are now ready to accept the collar, or the connection block rather. Push that on and that clicks into position like that. Okay, and then we're ready to mount our switches. In this case I can mount a maximum of 2 switches, and top side. Now if you get by the special insert that goes down the middle, you can actually mount a third switch. So at the moment that it's actuating 2 switches, but if you buy that insert that goes in the middle and mount that, it will actually work with 3. It's only showing 2 working here, but you can get the third one working if you buy the special insert. So that's how you mount the switch. Okay. Now if you want to remove the switch, you just click them off like that, click them like that, and then if you want to remove this, you just click that out there like that. Get your tool, using that comes off like that. Take the switch out, and there we have reversed the process. Okay, thanks very much.